The critically acclaimed film A Quiet Place has a simple premise. If you make a sound, you will die. But that simplicity can lead to some challenges, specifically in the writing. How do you write and sell a screenplay with almost no dialogue? One answer is action lines. Those are how a script lays out what the audience will see on screen.
Get out. Sorry, man.
Okay.
Get out! Yo! Yeah! Yo, chill, man. Get out! Chill!
Jordan Peele's film Get Out won the 2018 Oscar for Best Original Screenplay, and that scene is a good indication of its merit. Instead of relying on dialogue, it used action lines to communicate the character's fear and dread.
The whole trick that all of us are trying to do is bring the audience into that protagonist's eyes, behind their eyes. Not tell somebody you have to feel for somebody else, but make somebody feel because they're experiencing it through entertainment.
With even less dialogue than Get Out, the original screenplay for A Quiet Place is almost entirely action lines and some unorthodox additions. See these scattered headlines? They were actually edited into the script itself, along with other set pieces. Other parts of the script dedicated entire pages to single phrases and words. Neither of those things are really common in screenplays, but it helped make an almost completely silent film seem more cinematic on page. That strategy to disregard traditional formatting worked. Screenwriters Scott Beck and Brian Woods didn't expect anyone in Hollywood would actually take it, but producer Michael Bay and studio Paramount Pictures did. It was given a production budget of $17 million, and it made an estimated $4.3 million ahead of its April 6th wide release.